Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious watermelon sorbet with just 2 ingredients. First, you'll need to cut 1 medium watermelon into roughly 1-inch cubes. Place these cubes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and freeze them for at least 4 hours, or until solid. While the watermelon freezes, prepare a simple syrup by heating 1/4 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water until the sugar dissolves. Once your watermelon is frozen solid, transfer the cubes to a high-speed blender. Add the cooled simple syrup to the blender with the watermelon. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a creamy, sorbet-like consistency. Pour this blended mixture into a shallow pan or dish, then return it to the freezer for 1 to 2 hours, allowing it to firm up slightly. To achieve the perfect texture, stir the sorbet every 30 minutes for about 2 hours during its final freeze. This crucial step helps break up any ice crystals, ensuring a smooth and scoopable consistency. After 2 hours, your refreshing watermelon sorbet is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for a softer texture, or freeze it longer for a firmer treat. A sprig of fresh mint makes a lovely garnish. For the most vibrant flavor, always choose a very ripe watermelon. You can also adjust the amount of simple syrup to suit your sweetness preference. If you have any leftover sorbet, store it in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade 2-ingredient watermelon sorbet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.